Hi, my name is Mit and I'm CEO and founder of Moeco. Have you ever wondered what happens with your products when they left your factory or warehouse? So today, the life cycle of the products provide very little insight about what's going on with your products when they bought, consumed, or recycled. And in Moeco, we're here on a mission to provide you actually three things. We radically reduce the cost of IT infrastructure so we can generate the missing data for the fraction of the cost. Second, we provide you missing information about your supply chain. And third one, more interestingly, we also provide you information about how your products being consumed, recycled, and about the whole life cycle of the product. And we do this with a combination of three things. First, we provide a very cost-effective sensors, so you can apply to your products, packaging, and etc. to your infrastructure. And we can monitor up to 10 different parameters with a price down to the $1. Second, we are super flexible in terms of connectivity. So we use everything from RFID Bluetooth to narrowband IoT. And third one, our platform delivers, like SaaS platform delivers you the data for the fraction of the cost. And talking about products inside, so basically we can do the same thing people have in applications, so they can collect statistics about how applications have been used on smartphones. So we can do the same with the physical products and infrastructure. Our three main variables include supply chain logistics, infrastructure monitoring, and as part of infrastructure monitoring, we also have use cases for predictive maintenance. Talking about supply chain logistics, by using our $1 sticker sensor, you can monitor temperature, vibration, humidity, package integrity for packaged products, all the way down to the customer. We have use cases for fish delivery, and the fish company, they save tons of money because they save a lot of human efforts. For insurance companies, their customers more happy because if something goes wrong with the package, they ship a new one. So we reduce food waste a lot, and by lowering down the price, they can able to apply those sensors to individual fish packages for restaurants. You can also get a location, and all data is basically a trusted data. Sometimes our customers for delivery is not the company who shipped, it's actually insurance company. So they actually can trust the data they get from the sensors. You can apply same thing for individual package for the whole pallet, depends on what kind of products you have. More interestingly, we can go down to individual product packages and collect not only the logistics data, but also the usage data of the product. Some of our customers, they use this thing to get an understanding how the package is being recycled, so when they end up their life cycle. The same philosophy we can apply for infrastructure monitoring. For example, if we can put vibration sensor on manufacturing equipment and use this for use-based insurance, for example. Our platform is fully decentralized, so you can actually hold all the data on your side. We provide additional security layer, and we provide you 100% data ownership. So we, as a platform owner, we don't see your data, it's fully on your side. Our customers include publicly traded companies in mobility, supply chain, and logistics. Team is basically has good experience in IoT, telecom, and enterprise innovation. I'm author of 70 tech patents, and this is my fifth company. Thank you.
See the applicable in metal packaging as well? In metal packaging, is that,
Yeah, sure. I mean, we just need to get the cool use case, so you provide as much details as possible about the use case, then we can offer you a solution. But we do have a solution for metal things. Depends what you need to get, what kind of missing data you have to get.
okay, all right.
would be the cost to take a single model?
Around, like, depends on the quantity and parameters, but we can talk about, like, let's say, depends on the quantity from tens of cents to $1. And with this kind of, like, let's say, food packaging company will say, hey guys, you don't need to apply to every single package, because if you produce millions of bottles, you can apply for one out of 1,000, and you still have a relevant data about what's going to with your products, how they be recycled or consumed. So the cost addition per one bottle, if you spread it like across like 1,000, will be like a very little.
So your business model is sensors plus the hosting?
Our business model is SaaS too, so because like we don't put any additional charge on sensors, because we work with the big enterprise customers, sometimes we just give them a blueprint so they can use the sensors with their existing partners. And our business model is SaaS. We charge you for like the data you get from the sensor as a SaaS platform.
Can you talk about the, sorry, go ahead.
No.
Can you customize what you measure in the
That's a typical process with every single enterprise. We're very flexible on customization, and yes, we did. Okay. We can.
Can you talk about the competitive landscape? I saw that you had Chronicle on there as an advisor, maybe like X360 or Providence, all these guys working in a similar space.
We actually data generation company, so we don't go deep into the data logic. So we provide the data, and then Chronicle, for example, use it already like as a logical layer. So we don't do like too complex interfaces for supply chain logistics. We just like provide you the missing data, and then you deal with it. The only one case where we go deep into the logic is like predictive maintenance. For example, you say, oh, we have tens of thousands electrical like engines, and we need to predict their failures. They're like where we actually have expertise to provide you already like data insights.
Thank you. Thanks,
Thank
man.
you.